Hello and welcome, my name's Hannah, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this Valentine's Day look using the brand new Modern Love Collection from Sheglam. So if that sounds good to you, sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the Modern Love Collection from Sheglam. This retails for £25.49 for the full collection, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Excuse the mess on the inside packaging because I have been playing with this already. So this comes with a lip care cream, 3 liquid eyeshadows in 3 different finishes, and it also comes with 3 lip to cheek blush tints here and an eyeliner pen that has a normal eyeliner felt tip on one end and then a heart stamp on the other. The full collection also comes with this little scented heart that you can keep in the collection or in one of your drawers, and this little silicone tool thing for the lip care cream. So I think that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to put this on my lips just to keep them hydrated while we do the rest of the look, and then I'm going to do the eyes and then the rest of the face. So that is the plan. Let's get into it. This cream here has avocado oil, jojoba seed, jojoba seed oil, vitamin E and sodium hyaluronate to keep your lips nice and hydrated. As I said, I've already dug into this a bit, so this is what it looks like on the inside. I've put the little tool down here and I'm just gonna... So as you can see, it's got a little bit of shimmer to it. It does feel very emollient, very hydrating, very nice on the lips. I'm gonna move on to eyes next, and I will show you the 3 different liquid eyeshadows that they have. So this one here is called Be You, and this is a matte formula. Actually, it says you should shake them before use, so let's do that. And this is what it looks like on the back of the hand there. Then we have Wink, which is a metallic finish. So let's put that on the back of the hand there. Lovely and pigmented. Then we have Shine, which is a glitter formula. And this is more, I would say, of a topper rather than a liquid eyeshadow on its own, but it has lovely little pink glitters, as you can see there. All 3 colors really complement each other well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take the shade Wink, almost said Winks, Wink, which is the metallic shade, and just put that all over the lid and wing it out slightly as well, because we're going to be putting the eyeliner on top at some point. And I'm just going straight on top of the lid, creating a nice rounded shape there, winging it out and connecting it here. If you can hear the construction work in the background, I'm sorry. And you can see it's very metallic. Just going to grab a fluffy blending brush and just make sure the edge looks nice and smooth. I'm also just gonna grab this makeup wipe and clean up this line to make sure it's as sharp as possible. Then I am going to do the same on the other eye. Making sure these are even at this stage because I'm going to put liner on. So I'm going to put a bit of the glitter shadow on my inner corner after the rest of my face is done, but I think I'm going to put the eyeliner on now, and I love this eyeliner. So this is what the felt tip looks like, and oh, I've got it there. As you can see, it's very black, very matte, and once this dries down, it does not go anywhere. It's very easy to use. You get payoff pretty much straight away, and then this is the little heart tip, and you do not have to press hard at all to get a little heart shape. If you press too hard, see, look at that, adorable. As I said, if you press too hard, you might get a bit of that ring. It's not doing it now, but on the face you might get a little bit of the ring, so try not to press too hard because you just want the little heart shape. But how freaking cute is that? So adorable. I'm gonna wipe this off before it dries, otherwise it's not going anywhere. Let's put this on the eyes, and again, I'll use a little heart stamp once I've done the rest of my makeup so I can put it on over my foundation and concealer. Everyone bear with, I am terrible at eyeliner. I'm gonna try and follow the line that I've already made. Maybe we can just cover it with more of the eyeshadow. That actually might have worked. Okay, let's do the other eye. Kind of. This wing is looking a tad thick, but this is why I have done it first. That's as good as it's gonna get. Do you know what? No, I'm gonna clean it up. No, am I gonna make it worse? I am gonna make it worse, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. That'll do. Let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna put on the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer as my base, and I'm just gonna pop that on the whole face. And we're just gonna give that about 30 seconds or so to sink in before we go in with foundation. And I think what I'm going to use today is my trusty L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation that has a cat hair on it. And this is in the shade 15 Porcelain. I'm just going to grab a damp beauty blender, dip straight into the foundation and pop that on the face. Okay, then next up I am going to take my Bobbi Brown Dark Under Eye Circle Corrector in the shade Light Bisque. I just got this, but I love it. This is so good. And I'm just going to tap a little bit of that under the eyes to try and get rid of a bit of my dark circles. This has been amazing. So I'm just checking where I got eyeliner on this side. You can kind of see it, but not really. Look what a difference that makes. I love this stuff. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the shade 1N. And this is another one that I picked up recently and have really been enjoying. And I'm just going to put a bit there, bit there, bit there, bit there, and on a couple of the spots that I have. And blend that out with my beauty blender. Beauty sponge, because this is from Real Techniques, not the Beauty Blender company. So let's finish up around the eyes. So I'm gonna take that matte shade BU. I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand and grab a little brush like this and take this under the eye. Then I'm going to grab the sparkly shade, which is Shine, and I'm just going to put this directly onto my finger, and you know, I'm going to put it onto my little finger and tap it on the inside corner like so. Next up, let's do a bit of bronzer. I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in the shade Tan Lines. And then while we're at it, I'm just going to quickly put some of this e.l.f. Wow Brow in Taupe into my eyebrows just to make them look a little bit more presentable. So moving on to the cheek and lip tints, this collection comes with 3 different shades. First up, I'm knocking everything over, we have the shade Cool Me, which is this pinky, peachy, sort of shade, which looks lovely. We have the shade Hug Me, which is more of a mauvey sort of shade. Let me shake this and swatch it again. Hang on. Yeah, they are much better. Okay, and then we have the shade Kiss Me, which is more of a bright cherry red. So that's what the three shades look like there. I think I'm going to put on Hug Me, which is the mauvey shade, and I'm just going to put that onto my lips first. So wiping off that lip cream. I'm just going to go straight in with the applicator that it comes with. These feel nice and velvety on the lips, and they're really lovely and pigmented. And I really like these actually. I will definitely be using these a lot after Valentine's Day because I think they're really nice. For the cheeks, I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand and go in with a brush. As I said, these are quite pigmented, so I'm going to dip in and then wipe off the excess on my hand before going onto the face. Even then you can see it's still got a lot of great colour payoff. Because we're doing something a bit bolder, I'm going to bring the blush up onto the temple a bit. Gorgeous, pigmented. It is a lot, but if you can't be a lot on Valentine's Day, when can you? You know? And then to finish off this section, oh actually before I do that, I'm just quickly going to go under the eyes with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Powder just to set those down. Make sure I haven't got any creases. Then I am going to put on a little bit of highlighter, and I am going to use the Sheglam Cosmic Crystal Mousse Highlighter in the shade Vanilla Sky. Again, I've been really enjoying these. I think Sheglam does some great stuff actually, and I'm going to be exploring that more, but this is what it looks like. Lovely, metallic, smooth, knocking more stuff over. And then finally, to finish everything off, I'm going to put a little heart, I think, right here. So easy. All right, let's put some mascara on. Let's go in with the Revlon So Fierce mascara. Bottom lashes. Okay, bottom lashes are on. We do have time for false lashes. So I got the Ardell Wispies, and then I also got these So Wispy Kiss lashes. And I think I'm gonna put the So Wispies on. I've only tried putting on false lashes once before, so this is going to be interesting. And you may not be able to see it, and I might have to just bring this mirror incredibly close. Okay, so the first step is to get it off of the little cardboard thing, and even that is difficult. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is such a weird feeling. That's it, I think. That looks weird. It looks very strange on me. Okay, let's do the other one. My goal is to do this the first time. It's completely unrealistic. Awful, terrible. Why do people do this? So I'm gonna put some more blush, some more highlighter, some more eyeliner on, and then I will be right back. I'm gonna put some more volume on the bottom lashes. So I'm gonna use this number 7, the Full 360 Ultra mascara, just to add a little something. this is the final look using the Sheglam Modern Love Collection. I'll give you my final thoughts on everything. So the cheek to lip tints, I like these. They're very, very pigmented, bold colors. They look great on the cheeks. They also look really lovely and feel very comfortable on the lips as well. So I think these are great. The liquid eyeshadows, these can be a little bit tricky to work with, but they still look really, really pretty and gorgeous on the eyes. And I like that you get 3 different finishes in the collection. The eyeliner, this is amazing. Go get it now. It is so, so good. It is matte, black, very pigmented, goes on so smoothly, so easily, dries down, doesn't go anywhere. And the little heart, that's not it. And the little heart is just so freaking cute, just so, so cute. And then finally, the lip care cream. This is lovely as well. This just keeps my lips feeling really hydrated. And I will be using this a lot, I think, in the future. So that is everything from me today. If you liked this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you like me and you want to see more videos from me, then please do hit the subscribe button down below if you want to. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.